So there is a new rule on YouTube and nobody's talking about it. This is not inauthentic. This is not the regular repetitive content. This is a new rule that is happening right now on YouTube and literally nobody's talking about it here on YouTube. And guys, I'm going to be sharing three monetization rules. If you know getting monetized in 2026 is what you want before the end of this year, just watch this video. Guys, I'm going to expose these three rules that YouTube have quietly rolled out. It's a big update nobody's talking about and it's affecting a lot of small channels. Have you guys noticed that currently you are posting, you're making videos and it feels as if nobody is seeing your videos? It feels like you're shouting into the air. Guys, I'm going to expose what is happening right now on YouTube and I want you to pay attention because at the end of this video your mindset is going to change completely on how you're going to treat YouTube and how you're going to work towards getting monetized here on YouTube. And of course, every creator, the dream of every YouTuber is to get this message. And I know a lot of creators will tell you, oh, doing YouTube is very simple, it's a piece of cake. We've been hearing all of that, but guys, let's get down to reality. Rule number one is what we call the subscribers rule. Have you noticed there are channels with thousands of subscribers? When I mean thousands of subscribers, and when they make videos, their videos are struggling. I mean, the videos is barely getting views. Have you asked yourself what is happening? Just imagine you have 10,000 subscribers and you make videos and your video barely gets 100 views. What happened to the 9,900 subscribers you have on your channel? This is where we have the subscriber rule, and this is where a lot of small creators are getting it wrong. I keep saying this time after time. YouTube have changed. It's no longer 3-4 years ago when you have a lot of subscribers, YouTube automatically pushes your video to a lot of persons. Now YouTube is paying attention to those who are genuinely watching your videos. You see that 10 subscribers you have, you see that 20 subscribers you have. You know what? You need to listen to what they need. This is the time you need to stop whatever you're doing and pay attention to what your audience wants to see. I keep saying this, if you like, create what is trending. If you like, copy a big creator, copy their title, copy their thumbnail. If you have the wrong audience, when your subscribers are not there for you, you're going to struggle. Do you know when I started my YouTube channel, I had about 2,000, 3,000 subscribers. I was making videos and I was still struggling. It took me a lot of time to build the right audience, to build the people who really want to see my video. I kept on making videos for the wrong audience. Yes, I mean the wrong audience were on my channel. And what happened? This is where your subscribers are coming from. You know, I see creators be like, oh, please like my video, please subscribe to my channel, please follow me. And I'm like, don't do all of that. You see the real subscribers, you see the people who are going to watch your video, they are going to come to your channel. And this is not the time for you to start looking for your family and friends to subscribe to your channel. This is the time for you to put your head in the game and get the right subscribers genuinely. It is okay for you to tell people you have a YouTube channel, but before you tell someone about your YouTube channel, ask yourself this question: is this person interested in my type of content? They're going to watch my videos. Are they just going to see my video and be like, oh, please, one of those videos? Now, pay attention to the subscriber rule. Now, the second rule is the AI rule. Now, YouTube has been able to diversify. YouTube is now making good use of AI, guys. YouTube can use AI to read your video from beginning to the end. YouTube now knows what your channel needs. YouTube has even brought in a personal AI for every creator. See, if you're a small YouTuber and you're not making use of the Ask AI, you're not making use of the YouTube Gemini AI, that means you're not ready to grow. Because with the Gemini AI, you don't need ChatGPT, you don't need Cloud, you don't need all of this other, AI tools to grow on YouTube. Of course, you can get mentorship, you can get people telling you what to do, but listen, go to your Ask Studio right now. If you don't know how to do that, just go to your YouTube dashboard site, look for the Ask Studio. This is what it looks like, and this is where you get to see anything you want to see about your channel. If you're struggling with views, struggling with subscribers, this particular AI is going to explain everything to you. You can just go ahead and ask it, how can I grow my YouTube channel? What is the problem I need to solve for my audience? What are my audience looking for? So before you get confused, before you start screaming, oh, YouTube is hard, YouTube is hard, make sure you're doing these things I am stating in this video. This is the new rule nobody is talking about. Guys, a lot of people are not even using it. We're looking for one simple hack, simple trick. We're looking for one magic wand, something that is just going to catapult your channel. And you just need to be very careful. As a small creator, you need to mind where you're getting your views, where you're getting your subscribers, the kind of audience you're building. See guys, if you build the right community, if you grow your YouTube channel the right way. Even when you're feeling down, when you don't have enough energy to make content, anything you drop will sell on your channel. You know why? Because you have the right people, the people who love your content. They're not just your content, they are in love with your personality, they are in love with you. And that is why I take it so personal. Anytime I just put on my camera to say anything, I need to give my audience the value they deserve. I need to tell them what they need to see. I'm not just going to tell them because I want clicks, because I want views, but because I know this is going to help my audience. So before you start running around creating random content, getting confused, watch this video. Now the last rule, and it's very important, in fact, if you know you really want to get monetized, pay attention to this. You see the home page rule. Currently, YouTube is pushing shorts. Now, there is something you need to understand. If you don't understand the game of shorts when it comes to YouTube, you end up ruining your channel. When I mean ruining, you end up getting subscribers, getting views, a lot of it. YouTube is pushing shorts. Now, if you notice on this channel, I barely post shorts. I barely post it, but that doesn't mean short is not a good way to get views to your channel. If you go watch this video I made, I just showed you a very safe way, this particular video right here, for you to get a viral YouTube short. If you know you really want to use short to grow your channel, you want to use short to get a lot of visibility to your channel, go watch this video. This is a very safe way to use short to attract growth to your channel. And if you go to your YouTube app right now, you're going to see that a lot of shorts is going to be popping up on your screen. What does it tell you? YouTube is paying attention to shorts because somehow people want to watch something really quick and simple. Before someone clicks on a lengthy video, that means they really want to learn something, or rather they just really want to get entertained with whatever you have to put on the table. So make sure you are utilizing this short rule. If you're a beginner, you need to pay attention to it. And remember, do not misuse the shorts. Like, I've seen channels who do this short thing and they post a lot of short on their channel. At the end of the day, their long videos are suffering, their channels are suffering to get views, watch hour. Don't fall for that trick. So once you use your short to get what you want, you can just focus on your long form video. But then for the short channels who are basically based on shorts, that is a good catch. You can actually get monetized posting just shorts. Yes, if you can meet the short threshold, like getting the 3 million short views and all of that, you can actually monetize your channel through shorts. But then get it at the side of your head. If you're really someone who wants a lot of money, like a whole lot of money, then just know that you need to pay attention to your long form content. So guys, YouTube is changing every day. Don't stay stuck in one position. Make sure you're following the trend. Make sure you're following the updates. Don't stay behind. And I'm gonna wish every small creator success. Doing YouTube, honestly, is not the easiest thing in the world, but then nothing good comes easily. You need the consistency, you need the timing and everything that has to go with it. So guys, if this video helped you, share to your friends and family. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Bye.